Okay guys, our next step is to add 2 to 3 more towers or columns that are kind of behind these first set that we made. Now to do this, we're going to use that overlapping technique to kind of help create more space in our work. And you can definitely add more than 2 or 3, but we don't want to get too carried away. Now one example of doing this is you can just start anywhere on a previous tower. Excuse me, I'm going to make this one kind of like that step up building. So I could draw a line even just going connecting to, and then just like before start adding the details. So I'm going to make this one kind of go up like so to create a tower. Kind of in the background like that. Now just like before too, once we're done drawing, we'll go back and add some more details to them. But you can see that this one is in front of it, so it kind of pushes it back more into the picture. So maybe I want to pick a spot right around here to do the same. I'm going to have this one look like it's really big. The only thing you do not want to do is have a space in between all this. So if I do have a line that goes all the way down like this, and I have this space in between, then I'm going to have to make sure I add another tower behind, because when we cut it out, we don't want it to be in separate pieces. Like if I were to cut all the way down here, I would have these columns on one side and all these on the other, and we want it to just be one continuous piece when we're all done. Now it is perfectly fine to have some things go off the page like that even. So far I've done 2. Let's do one more, because again, remember, I don't want to leave that little space there. So I'm going to go ahead and add one coming right off of this. So I'm going to come over here and I'll step up a little bit like that. And I'll have this one continue behind here. And I got a little space there, so I want to make sure that this one at least goes down to that previous column. And I'm going to add one more spot all the way up like that. There you go. Those are my 3 extra columns that I added. So take some time, start with pencil again first, and then add 2 to 3 more. Or go back and add even more than that if you would like. And then, of course, go back and add some more details to each. After you're done with that, get your Sharpie back out and begin tracing these lines. Let's use the rest of today to try to trace everything. All right, have fun.